So I'm here at Astra Suites in Amerivigli in one of the superior suites, and just want to give you a sense of what this looks like. You've got a beautiful patio here overlooking Scaros Rock and Amerivigli in the caldera. And then you've got a nice large living room and a beautiful bedroom with the bathroom and a shower. And it's a beautiful one-bedroom suite with a nice space to be in and a gorgeous patio right here with an amazing view out over the caldera.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see more super useful travel videos about Greece and beyond from SantoriniDave.com.